Ventura has yet to comment on this video, but her attorney did release a statement which reads in part, "The gut-wrenching video has only further confirmed the disturbing and predatory behavior of Mr. Combs. Words cannot express the courage and fortitude that Ms. Ventura has shown in coming forward to bring this to light." Here now to discuss this further, victims' rights attorney Gloria Allred. Gloria, I really appreciate you taking the time on this tonight.
Thank you for inviting me.
Gloria, I first have to ask, since this video was released, your first reaction when you saw this?
Well, really disgusting, disturbing. You know, I mean, to see it live, no words are sufficient to express what we see in that video. To treat her as though she is a piece of trash and to be moved to the side or dragged along and then disposed of, that he kicks her, that he treats her as though she's not a human being, but just an object that he owns, that he can do anything he wants with. It is just very, very troubling. Now, the LA County DA's office did issue a statement, and they said that they can't prosecute, essentially because it's too late. Under the law, there is a time period set by law during which a charge can be filed. This happened in 2016 in Century City, California, not that far from where I am right now, at the then Intercontinental Hotel. Under the law, to file a criminal charge for this type of misconduct, it's too late. But now that doesn't mean that somehow it might, if the federal government ends up filing, indicting and filing charges against Mr. Combs, it may be that, for example, if they file a RICO violation, that has a longer statute of limitations. That's 10 years. And this happened in 2016. So it might still be within it, assuming it qualifies under RICO law. So we don't know. We do know that the Homeland Security, which is part of the federal government, did conduct a raid of Mr. Combs' homes, both in Florida and right here in Los Angeles. What were they looking for? Usually they're looking for evidence of trafficking. I was involved in the R. Kelly case, and we know that they were interested in sex trafficking of underage girls. I'm not saying Mr. Combs has anything to do with that, but we'll have to wait and see if any charges are filed by the federal government and Justice Department, and if they are, what those charges are.
It's a really important piece of context. And Gloria, you have represented other alleged victims of Diddy. In your eyes, does this video fit in to the pattern and behavior that you have seen, what your clients have told you, and what will it take to bring him to justice?
Well, I can't disclose what they've told me, but let's put it this way. It doesn't surprise me that that I see this kind of misconduct against Cassie, and I don't think, I'm sure it's not an isolated incident.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.